What it do, people? Hey guys. I don't feel like yelling because my throat hurt. Why I look funny? What the box? This thing's dark. Oh wow, there we go. So it is, what time is it?
I can't show them my head.
It's 4:45. Me and Ashley are getting ready to run some errands. It's just me and her. We've already made one. We stopped and got this package from the rental office. They the mailman puts our packages, the big packages, inside the rental office so my husband can pick them up, but he didn't do it today. Oh my gosh, it is so dark. Oh, there we go. And so we're going to Target. We got to go pick up our bakery order. And what else? And I'm stopping at McDonald's to get me a coffee. And she wants a... Oh, she wanted a shamrock shake.
I'm hungry.
Well, yeah, we're getting ready to do that. So, yeah. What else we doing? That's it.
Oh, you can't give me a shamrock shake while you give me my chicken sandwich and my french fries.
Turn that box over. I don't want to accidentally show the address. Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
Oh, you just
See,
can
it's
blur it out.
there. I could, but I don't really know how. With this new camera, I ain't uploaded not one video from this camera. I done had this camera for like 2 weeks. That's why I'm going to Target, because I got to get the some USB SD card adapter. I got to get that so I can so I get all that stuff off of here. I got like 1,000 videos on here, like a lot. What's so funny?
I don't want this to record. I've been having this thing because my
Your
brain
forehead is breaking out bad.
Oh.
You ain't been using that stuff on your face, have you? She don't listen to me.
You didn't tell me to use it.
I wasn't telling you every morning to ask you to get up and put that stuff on your face and wipe your face off.
I mean, you didn't tell me this year.
I told you for how long? You should have remembered to do it. I gotta tell you every morning?
Yeah.
Girl, here, hold this.
Because sometimes I be forgetting.
Sometimes.
This is heavy. The other one was so light. Because when I was...
my other black one?
Yeah. Can I keep the other black one?
No.
Me and Aaron be recording our videos. Oh, I might have to put this down. What to talk about?
Nah, you can close it up. We got her.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a shamrock shake.
I gotta see how much money I got before you talk about what you can rate it.
Okay. But how do you turn this off? Just flip it?
No, it's a little red button.
Where? I don't want to show the McDonald's that we're at. Or the dirty car. Where is it at? I know this might look weird on there. Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, so we can like go to Jiffy Lube because I gotta get a top off. My car was just acting funny. Like the top off is free, so it was one right down the street from my house. Not from my house. From the McDonald's that we went to. Well, from my house. Yeah, my mother's house was. So, oh, you can't even see me. So, I'm all jacked up. So yeah, we sitting out here in front of this place. We just pulled out. We got some cheesy bacon fries, and I got a coffee, and Ashley got a shamrock shake. So my total was $11, I think, $11.55, because the fries were buy one get one free. But all right, these people always get on my nerves when I come here, y'all. Like, I'm dead serious. So yeah, let me see what's getting ready to happen. I don't know. Jiffy Lube is like a love-hate type place right now. Only this location, no, only this one. The one that I used to go to when I lived with my brother, awesome. Like,
we used to go there when we lived in the other place, too.
Yeah, we did.
Where they got pulled over?
What is it?
Mom, somebody knows me.
I ain't being nosy. Oh, you can't see, can you? They ain't behind me, y'all. They behind the person behind me. I don't know what happened. I just seen that police officer too. There we go. So we are inside the garage at Jiffy Lube. Did they close? Oh yeah.
Cold.
I was about to say, why does my thing smell like peppermint? But that's yours.
I love Shamrock shakes.
McDonald's do not know how to make coffee, I swear. I mean, they know how to make regular hot coffee, but this, I got a caramel macchiato. Why didn't I just go down to Starbucks? I don't know.
You could have asked Uncle Junior to put something on the card.
I just put something on the card the other day when we was at the mall and spent it. Y'all, we went to Arundel Mills. We had so much fun. I actually got her a special shirt.
Oh!
They're over there choking on french fries.
If y'all don't know, okay. Monster X. I got a Monster X shirt. It has all of the people in there.
Wait a minute, who is Monster X?
K-pop.
Who?
K-pop.
Oh, okay.
I don't know all their names. So.
You don't? Is that the one with like 20-some people?
No.
Who is that?
That's NCT.
NCT, BTS, HBO, ABC, BET, whatever. What?
That was all wrong. NCT, BTS, got 7.
Got 7? How many people in there? 7?
I don't know. Wait, is Young J, Young May.
She don't know, y'all.
JB and Mark. There's 6.
You sure it ain't 7? They call got 7 and it ain't 7 people? You don't know, do you?
I have to look this up.
Lord! Anyway, y'all, so...
Oh, yeah, there is 7. I forgot Bam Bam.
So, got 7 people. So, every once in a while, how often do me and you just go by ourselves? Like once a month? Because she's spoiled.
Once a month is not spoiled.
It is. 217-291. No, she's not spoiled. But I think it's just spending quality time with each one of them. Because it's usually her and Aaron. No, it's usually her, Aaron, and Andrew. Right?
It's never just me.
Yeah.
And
every once in a while, it's just you. If Dad be like, no, y'all not going to actually have her time. Like sometimes when you want to go to grandma's house all by yourself. Remember that one time you were so mad you didn't want to go? Because everybody want to go to grandma's at the same time and she couldn't go by herself at the same time. Y'all, she was so mad.
I went downstairs because she has like a basement. I stayed in that room.
Everybody like having a little me time. So right now it's me and Ashley time. They all get their time, but it don't be like a long
Andrew
time.
Andrew get his own time. Or Jordan when they took a nap. No.
Do I want him to vacuum? Shh. I should have said yeah, but no, he been this young vacuuming all day. No, was you? No, you wasn't with us. I went to go get a oil change and my dad came with me, y'all. My dad cleaned out my car. Why my dad went and got their vacuum cleaner and started vacuuming out my car and started looking for stuff to fix in the car while we was sitting in the Jiffy Lube? My dad is a mechanic, so he knew what he was doing, but still. He only cleaned out the car to find my loose change. My dad stay stealing change, didn't he? Man, you couldn't leave no change laying around. My dad, he was getting your change. Pennies, nickels, dimes.
When he went to my grandma's house, he took all the snacks. ALL.
My dad is funny though, y'all.
And then, cause like Uncle Junior, he gave us a big bag of snacks from out the vending machines. He went over the house and took it. Then he looked all around the house for loose change. And I'm happy I hid that bottle of change because like I wanted that to put in Daddy's change jar. I'm happy I hid it.
Because he would have had it.
I hid it in Grandma's coupon room closet.
Nobody is allowed in my mother's coupon room.
Except for
not
me,
even
Aaron.
my dad.
He's the only one that's not allowed to get it. It's like me, Erica, and Aaron can go in.
I mean, we can go in there, but we know not to touch. All right, grab the camera.
Yeah. Or she'll get mad at us and say we would go home that day, but we didn't.
And y'all ended up being there for like 3-4 more days.
Yeah. Oh, a shamrock shake. Oh, look at my shirt.
All right, so now we're gonna go to Target. I forgot to call your dad and tell him
Tell him what?
that I was stopping at
Wait, we need to get there fast because what time did the post office close?
the post office for what?
Cause, wait, where are you getting this package from?
The bakery. That's what he was talking about. He got an order of cookies.
A package from the bakery?
He got a special order of cookies. That's what it was.
Cause they know it so well. They be like,
I know.
we always go there.
And I always take all the cookies. So this time, I put it on order. So I went to take all of them. Hey.
Hey.
I forgot to tell you, the car was acting a little funny, so I just went up to Jiffy Lube and got a top off for everything.
Okay.
That's it. Now we can ready to go to Target for real this time.
Oh, so good.
I know. I didn't really need to call and tell you that.
Not at all.
I know, but I didn't want you to be like, Dad, you still at Target? Or where my package at? Ashley said, we need to hurry up before the post. What time the post office closed? I was like, for what? She said, you gotta pick up that package. I said, we picking him up some cookies from the bakery.
You should have just said, we about to get his cookies.
All right, we can ready to go to Target.
Call me when you get to Target. Let's see how much this game costs in there.
What? Text me the name of the game.
Alright.
What's the name of it so I can, because I got to go back there anyway.
NBA 2K.
Nah, text it to me. Too many letters. All right. So, but everybody these letters and they acronyms. NBA. What do you say? NBA? Did you say NBA?
Yes.
NBA, okay, so it must be it must be NBA 2K19. I'm guessing, or 2K20. No, it wasn't. I don't know if you want the old one. I don't know. Shoot. And I'm going to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I might not go to Dollar Tree. I might just get everything from.
I love going to Dollar Tree. We should just go.
Dollar Tree.
I love Dollar Tree.
And I gotta get pizza for dinner.
Driving like this. Sitting there. Ow!
Oh, you and Uncle Junior right there. Look.
Over where?
Oh, you missed it. I'm looking like that was a big pothole. You still recording, Ashley?
Yeah. When you went over the bum and I was trying to drink my juice, man, the straw hit me on top of my mouth. Okay. Which store are we going to?
I went to Target first.
Okay, we'll see you in Target.
We're going to pull up at Target. What you gonna go for now?
I'm just gonna turn it back on when we get to the thing we need to go.
NBA 2K19.
Okay.